So this is the tool that accompanies the paper by Van den Berg et al. That Zoe just presented. You can explore it later. I already shared the link in the chat. Basically, we have the 5 different approaches here: greenhouse development rights, ability to pay, etc. You can click on them and then you see it changing. You can search for a country, let's say India, and it will point you to it. You can also see or choose whether you want the results presented in an absolute sense, so just total greenhouse or carbon budget in terms of total CO2 gigatons, or as a percentage of the global carbon budget. And the nice thing is that if you click a country, you can click on Explore, and you get a bit more information. So not just the budget, but also the pathways and the emission reductions. So this you can explore later, because I'll first switch to another screen and go into the graphs to tell you a bit better what you see. Let me fix this in the graphs. Too many screens open. Here it is. Share screen. PowerPoint slides show. Right. So just a further explanation of the graphs that you see in the tool, and that we'll also share in the breakout groups to really go into your country details. First of all, on the left, you see the carbon budget or cumulative CO2 emissions under the business as usual case, the upper one, the 2 degree and the 1.5 degree case for this effort sharing rule. The second bit is the CO2 emission pathways for these same 3 cases. And the final one is the emission reductions, both in 2030 and in 2050, relative to the BAU for the effort sharing rule that's indicated on the left. That's basically all there is to it. I'll share this presentation also in the chat so that you all have it available for discussion in the breakout group. And then the idea is to first discuss, based on what you heard from Zoe, what is your preferred equity scheme, then explore the country results in detail and discuss again, did it change? Do you now prefer another scheme, or is it still the same? And then finally, we would go into this hybrid case that Zoe introduced and seeing what kind of club benefits would be attractive.